today we're going to solve some more problems regarding using derivatives, like the chain rule, power rule, quotient rule, and product rule. So here we have the function f of x is equal to x minus 1 to the fifth power times 3x plus 1 to the 1/3 power. And we need to find f prime of x. Okay, so first of all, we will use the product rule since we have two factors here. Now let's begin. We have f prime of x would be equal to, let's see now, first we have to find the derivative of x minus 1 to the fifth power, so we can write that as d of x minus 1 to the fifth power times 3x plus 1, this is just the product rule, plus, now we have the derivative of 3x plus 1 to 1/3 power times x minus 1 to the fifth power. Okay, this is just the product rule. Now, the derivative of x minus 1 to the fifth power. Here we need to use the chain rule. So, if you remember, since we have a factor here, what we will do is we will put that exponent as a factor and then decrement the exponent. So we will get that f of x is equal to, let's see, that will be 5 times x minus 1 to the fourth power. And then we need to find the derivative of the inside function with respect to x, but since the derivative of x with respect to x is 1, we don't write that, times 3x plus 1 to the 1/3 power. Okay, then we have plus, let's see, now the derivative of 3x plus 1 to the 1/3 power. This will be equal to, since we use the same technique here, again the chain rule, so we will write 1/3 as a factor and then we will decrement the exponent, so we'll get 3x plus 1 to the minus 2/3 power, and then we need to find the derivative of 3x with respect to x, and that will be equal to 3. So here we will multiply times 3 and we'll get rid of this fraction. Then we have here times x minus 1 to the fifth power. So I think that we can simplify this a little bit. So let me just erase this and we will continue. Okay, so now let's see. What do we have here? We can rewrite this expression since we have 5. What we can do is we can take x minus 1 to the fourth power in front, so we'll get x minus 1 to the fourth power, and now in brackets we have 5 times 3x plus 1 to the 1/3 power, plus here we have, here we can put this in the denominator since we have a minus, and we'll get a fraction, and here we'll get 3x plus 1 of the 2/3 power, and in the numerator we'll get x minus 1. Okay, now we can continue here. We have x minus 1 in front of the brackets, and here inside we can multiply this fraction by 3x plus 1 to the 2/3 power, and you'll get 3x plus 1/3 power. We can erase this here, and we'll get 5. Now 3x plus 1 to the 1/3 power times 3x plus 1 to the 2/3 power, we will get only 3x plus 1. okay, plus